You're standing in a bustling market in Tokyo, the scent of street food filling the air, and you spot the perfect souvenir. You reach for your wallet, but panic sets in. Do you have enough yen? Did you even remember to exchange currency? And if you did you get a good rate? Sound familiar? We've all been there, that travel anxiety sparked by the dreaded currency exchange. Especially when you're armed with a travel card like YouTrip, the question burns, do I really need to exchange currency beforehand? Let's cut to the chase. YouTrip, in its essence, is designed to minimize the need for traditional currency exchange. Its multi-currency wallet allows you to hold and spend multiple currencies, often at rates better than traditional money changers. But, and this is crucial, it doesn't mean you never need to think about currency. Here's the breakdown. YouTrip's magic lies in its ability to convert your home currency to the local currency at competitive mid-market rates when you spend. This means you don't need to preload every single currency you might encounter. If you're heading to Japan, you don't need to have a wallet full of yen sitting idle. You can spend in yen, and YouTrip will handle the conversion. However, there are a few scenarios where a little pre-planning, and possibly some currency exchange, can be beneficial. First, consider destinations where card acceptance is limited. While YouTrip works wonders in major cities, smaller towns or rural areas might still rely heavily on cash. For instance, in some parts of Southeast Asia, street vendors or local markets might only accept local currency. In these cases, having a small amount of local cash on hand is wise. Second, think about fluctuating exchange rates. If you anticipate a significant drop in your home currency's value against a foreign currency, preloading that foreign currency into your YouTrip wallet can lock in a favorable rate. This is essentially hedging against potential losses. Third, consider ATMs. While YouTrip allows for ATM withdrawals, these might incur fees from the ATM operator, and YouTrip also has its own withdrawal limits. If you plan on withdrawing large sums of cash, it might be more cost-effective to exchange a portion of your currency at a physical money changer beforehand. So, the answer isn't a simple yes or no. YouTrip significantly reduces the need for traditional currency exchange, offering convenience and competitive rates. But it's not a complete replacement for cash in all situations. A smart traveler balances the convenience of YouTrip with the practicality of having some local currency on hand, especially in less card-friendly locations. Think of YouTrip as your primary financial tool for travel, but not your only one. It's about being prepared and understanding the nuances of where you're going. It's about maximizing convenience and minimizing costs. It's about being a smart traveler. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.